Good morning, everyone. So we're continuing our work with multiplying binomials. Our learning target the same as yesterday. Today I can multiply two binomials together by using the box method. Okay, let's get straight into it. Problem number 1 reads, write a polynomial that represents the area of the triangle below. So I see that I have a triangle and I am already given its dimensions. And the question is asking me to find the area. Now I know that the formula for area of a triangle is equivalent to half of base times height. So I'm going to take these dimensions and substitute it in place of b and h in this formula. So I have area of a triangle is equivalent to 1/2. I bring the 1/2 down. And in place of my base, I'm going to put this p plus 1 because that's my base. And my height, which is 2p minus 6. Before you set up your boxes, you have to first distribute this 1/2 into the first binomial. 1/2 times p is 1/2 p. 1/2 times 1 is positive 1/2. I bring down my parentheses and then I bring down my 2p minus 6. Now I set up my boxes. Of course, as usual, I draw a big box and inside I have a t, so I have 4 boxes. On the top left-hand side, I put my first term, which is 1/2 p. On the right side, I have a 1/2. On the left-hand side at the top, I have a 2p for my second binomial. And then on the bottom, I have a -6. Of course, I'm going to fill in each box with the products of the terms that are directly outside of the boxes. So this first box, I will multiply 1/2 p and 2p together, which is p squared. And the second box, the one on the top right hand side, I will multiply 1/2 and 2p together, which is positive p. On the bottom left hand corner box, I'm multiplying 1/2 p and -6 together, which is -3p. Make sure you're paying attention to your signs when you're multiplying. And 1/2 times -6 goes inside of this last box. So 1/2 times -6 is -3. So of course, as usual, we're taking all our terms inside of our boxes and adding them together. So we have area of the triangle is equivalent to p squared plus p minus 3p. Remember, I said I don't like double signs, so instead of writing the plus -3p, I can just replace it with a minus sign. And last but not least, again, -3. Do not put double signs. I do not want to see a plus -3. That can just be a negative sign because a positive times a negative is a negative number. And of course, I am not done. I had to simplify it by combining like terms. I see this positive p and -3p are like terms because they're linear terms. And my area of my triangle can be represented by the polynomial p squared minus 2p, because p minus 3p is -2p. And then I bring down my -3. Here's the answer. Here goes your problem 2 for the day. You know what to do. Take a screenshot, jot it down, solve it, and write your answer and assignment for the day. Have a great day, guys.